year, and at a time when law school applications nationally have been falling, applications to UMass Law increased over 90%, the largest increase in applications of any law school anywhere in America. UMass Law has clearly found its footing on the path to success, guided by experienced leadership, a dedicated faculty, a diverse and civic-minded student body, and significantly, a mission to advance justice. When the proponents came to see me about establishing a law school within the UMass system, that mission was an especially compelling part of their case. Every law school serves to produce competent practitioners and learned scholars, but advancing justice is about the public good. And that is not only the fitting objective of a public law school, but also the essential ingredient of the American dream itself. I grew up, as many of you know, on welfare on the south side of Chicago, in my grandparents' two-bedroom tenement. I shared a room and a set of bunk beds with my mother and my sister, so we would rotate from the top bunk to the bottom bunk to the floor every third night on the floor. I went to overcrowded, sometimes violent public schools. Everything seemed broken. Broken sidewalks, broken playgrounds, broken families. There was a lot we didn't have. But one thing we did have was a very strong sense of community. Because that was the time when every child was under the jurisdiction of every single adult on the block. You messed up down the street in front of Ms. Jones, she'd straighten you out as if you were hers, and then call home. So you got it 2 times. What those adults were trying to get across to us was that they had a stake in us. And that membership in a community is understanding the stake that each of us has, not just in our own dreams and our own struggles, but in our neighbors as well. That community lifted me. It motivated and encouraged and cared about me. In the course of the years since I left law school, with the expectations of that community in my heart, I have had the great good fortune to practice all kinds of law, from corporate law to civil rights, civil and criminal, for the mighty and the meek. I've taught at 3 law schools and argued successfully in nearly every kind of court, including the Supreme Court of the United States. I even helped to write the anti-discrimination laws for the new government of South Africa. Today, I get to help craft the laws of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. How about that? I've loved being a lawyer. And I'm here to tell you that just as my community lifted and sustains me, this community, this whole community, with its public mission to advance justice, will and must lift and sustain